Hello, wonderful YouTube people. Hope all is well today. Um, Again, just wanted to say thanks for everybody who's liking and subscribing and commenting. It really helps me out. We get new subscribers, I don't know, every few days it seems like, which is awesome. So that's just keep it coming. Um, Today, as you can see in front of me, I have a trailer. It's my 18-foot car hauler by HP Trailers. It's been an awesome trailer. Have yet to haul a car on it, haul a tractor and a mower on it, but no car yet. But it's a good all-around trailer. It's really strong and durable and pulls super, super good. So what I'm going to do today is put some sides on it, just probably like a 2x6 or 8. I've got a couple long ones. I don't know if they're 2x6s or 8s or whatever they are, but I'm gonna put them in here because I'm gonna go grab hopefully a bunch of rock and wood chips. Obviously not in the same load, but I've got a couple projects that are going to require a lot of wood chips, more than I have the capacity to do in the amount of time that I have. So I've got the wood chipper that I just purchased, and I'm going to be doing a little bit of the smaller areas with that, but I'm going to go grab some serious cubic yardage of some of those from a landscape place around here. And so I'm going to put some sides on here. And to be honest, I'm starting to think I should have got a dump trailer. I don't know. Who's with me? But that's what I'm going to be doing now and the rest of today. Hopefully this putting the wood up doesn't take too long, but we'll see how it goes. And I'm going to film it and throw it on the tube of views. So catch you later. Okay, so now I've got this. This is the board I'm going to use for the sides. Got it mocked up. Flat earth's going to be in the front, and I drew a line on the back side of it here. So I'm just going to take it, cut it now. Here we go. This saw is not the best saw. It's had better days, but these cuts don't have to be perfect, so it'll do. It's got a quick job, so that's what I need. And I've got a nail to cut through. That's not good. Boom. That will work perfect. And again, this does not need to be perfect by any means. It's a quick job, so I'm just gonna kind of do it as easy as possible. It's 2 inches. screws and I don't have time to go get them. There you have it. My thought is I'll just put two 2x4s, the width of a board, cut the board the width, and that way it just slides down in. All right. Okay, so that actually went pretty well. Like I said, it's nothing special, but it's going to get the job done. It's a 2x8 on the sides, so it's a little shorter than the fender sides, but all I really need is it to stop stuff from sliding off. So it's going to serve its purpose, because I'm not going to like load this whole thing full. That would be way too much weight. But for my purposes that I need it for, it'll be just fine. And then I can tilt the trailer up. Tilt the trailer up, take that backboard out there, and just literally drive up on it with the tractor and scoop it off. And I think it's gonna work pretty slick. So I'll take some video of that as well. But for today, I'm done, and I'm gonna hold off on that because I'm not gonna put this weight up that far. All the weight's gonna be in the middle. I just don't want stuff working its way to the back and flying off the back as I drive down the road. So yeah, there you have it. Catch you in a little while.